It's going to be a nice day again, so Elsa and Paddington decided to go camping in the garden overnight. They have loaded their trolley with everything they need: a tent, pillows, blanket and a torch, a picnic basket with cups and plates and essential food, baked beans and jelly babies. That would be lovely. And also a book to read and some sun cream in case it gets too hot. They've found a nice sheltered spot in the garden and they've set up their tent. It looks quite cosy inside with all their sleeping bags and pillows. Elsa's looking out of the window just to check what's in her picnic basket. And there's Paddington. He seems to have found a little bottle that he's got in his pocket. I wonder if he's going to drink that tonight. It's going to be a fun day. Elsa has taken off her shoes and socks, put her sun hat on, put on her sunglasses and put some sun cream on, and now she's just going to sit and read her favourite book, I'm Going on a Bear Hunt. And Paddington, he's hung up his duffel coat, his hat, and taken off his Wellington boots. And he's put his sun cream on, his sunglasses, and he's going to have a little sunbathe. I think he's really just having a snooze. What a relaxing day. Well, that's an interesting picnic. Baked beans and jelly babies and a drink. I'm not quite sure what Paddington's put into his drink. Maybe he'll sleep well tonight. They've finished their picnic and they've cleared up and put everything away. Back into the picnic basket. Paddington's gone back to have another little snooze. And Elsa's got an ice cream. Granny came out and said they looked so hot that she got an ice cream out of the freezer for her. Bears don't like ice creams because it makes their fur very messy. So it's only Elsa that's got a lovely ice cream on this hot sunny day. It's evening now, and after a lovely day it's got a bit cooler, and Elsa and Paddington have ordered a takeaway Indian curry from Granny and Grandpa. That looks nice. Soon time to go to bed. Merlin the cat's come to visit Elsa and Paddington when they've gone to sleep in their tent. I hope he doesn't go in and join them for the night. Night-night, Elsa. Night-night, Paddington.